That rhythmic ticking or tapping sound coming from your engine block is enough to make any driver break out in a cold sweat, especially if it is accompanied by a P21343 code. This specific error means the PCIM has detected that the NOx sensor for cylinder number 8 has seen vibrations that are way above the normal threshold. Now, NOx sensors are actually pretty cool. They use tiny piezoelectric crystals that create a small voltage when they feel a vibration. The computer monitors this low voltage circuit constantly, and if it sees a spike that does not belong there, it knows the engine is knocking or detonating. This is basically the car's way of trying to save itself from internal damage. Since cylinder 8 is usually tucked way in the back, it can be a bit of a pain to get to. But you need to take this seriously, because engine knock can lead to melted pistons or broken rods if it is actually a mechanical issue. Before you assume the sensor is bad, make sure you are using the right fuel and that your oil level is topped off, because low oil or cheap gas can cause actual engine noise that tricks the sensor. You should also check for any TSB documents that might mention a software glitch, as sometimes the computer is just being too sensitive. If the engine sounds smooth but the code is still there, it is time to check the hardware. Take a look at your spark plug wires and boots first, because if they are old and leaking electricity, they can cause a spark knock that trips the sensor. You can use a DVOM to check the continuity of the NOx sensor circuit back to the PCIM. Since these sensors are usually threaded directly into the engine block, be careful not to burn yourself on a hot engine while you are testing them. If the wiring is perfect and there is no actual mechanical knocking, then the sensor has probably just reached the end of its life and needs to be replaced. It is a fiddly job, but getting that sensor replaced will restore your engine's timing and bring back that lost performance and fuel efficiency you've been missing. Would you like me to look up the specific location of cylinder 8 for your particular engine model so you know exactly where to start?